Hi, I'm Gavin, a product engineer at Sensoteq, here to introduce you to our Sensoteq Chi wireless Bluetooth sensor kit. Much like our Kappa and Tau sensors, Chi offers an accurate and reliable insight into your machine's health through condition-based monitoring. How it differs is that it's designed to be used on the go, providing real-time data to your smart device through the companion Chi app. It's ideal for service technicians who are involved with the servicing of multiple sites, or a vibration analyst who wishes to collect and diagnose possible issues instantly. We've even heard from a few OEMs who like to use it as part of their acceptance testing. Like our Kappa and Tau sensors, the Chi sensor can be used to root cause common vibration issues, such as unbalance and misalignment, and component wear and tear often associated with bearings and fans, to name a few. Chi is really simple to use. Like our other sensors, the magnetic base allows for quick fitment to the machine casing. From here, the Chi app allows for the easy pairing of sensors and assigns your data to an asset label if needed. When paired, the data can be automatically displayed within a matter of seconds, where your standard touchscreen gestures can be used to adjust the graphics shown. The sensor can also be quickly charged using the provided micro USB cable. The Chi app can be used either as a guest to perform quick measurements, or you can log in using your analytics credentials to complete defined measurements and upload your data to analytics for later viewing. The Chi app enables an end user to perform 3 different tests. A vibration analysis, this is where your collected time waveform and resulting spectrum are collected for a single sensor. Stroke analysis, which is the collection of stroke length, stroke angle, and other associated data for up to 4 sensors. And the hammer test, which is measuring the natural frequency of the machine, again with a single sensor. We offer kits of 2 or 4 sensors with or without the tablet. Each is available for purchase from our website, sensoteq.com. When you buy a Sensoteq product, you're gaining access to our analytics platform, offering a wealth of tools for vibration analysis, alarm notification, and reporting. Each kit comes with a handy user guide to get you started. But if you have any questions or you're interested in hearing more, get in touch with me at contact@sensoteq.com or through a sales representative. Let me know in the comments if you found this video useful, and hit subscribe to hear more.